Hello, welcome to Lifestyle and Creation. Today we are going to see two premium cars from Nexa. One is most premium hatchback in the country, which is Baleno. We take the pleasure to share that the Baleno is one of the most successful car so far in automobile industry, and it is even exported to more than 200 countries, if including the Japan, which is the motherland of Suzuki. So let's check out the car first. So here we are with Baleno, which is the most premium, luxurious and sporty hatchback car in the country. If we check the Baleno from the front side, firstly our attention goes into the premium LED projector headlamp, which emits a very luxurious white illumination, along with the one of the best visibility during the night drive. So there are the LED DRL or LED light guide to enhance the looks of the vehicle. The front 3D grille comes with the bold Suzuki badging, which announces the presence of the user as a premium Baleno user. So if we go through the front bumper side, the front bumper has been one of the most dynamic looking bumper. With its shock absorbing nature, it is one of the safest bumper as well for the pedestrian on the roads. So let's check out the looks on the side profile. If we have a look at the VRVM, and the VRVMs are equally dynamic looking part of the vehicle, which enhances the sportiness and luxury of the vehicle. As you can see, the LED turn indicators are integrated with that. Mounted on the VRVM, the turn indicators are even more visible and even more sporty to look. So if we further look to the side profile of the vehicle, we will find that the door handles are equally good looking as well, and the opening of the door has remained much wider than any other vehicles in this segment, so that a person can very easily ingress and egress to the car and from the car. So we are already inside the car. So that was the door sound. As you can hear, it is one of the best build quality of the door. If we go through the door, it has got all the necessary controls for windows and VRVMs from here, and the steering is also one of a very dynamic looking part of this vehicle. Being a very sporty steering, it comes with all the music system and calls controls mounted on it, and the steering is adjustable. Since it's the Delta variant, the steering is tilt adjustment. The tilt adjustment is there. On other top two variants, the adjustment remains both tilt and telescopic, which enhances the drive quality and the premiumness of the vehicle. So if we go through the dashboard, it is one of the most premium looking dashboard, and as you can see, the AC controls are mounted on that, and being the Delta variant, it comes with automatic AC, or you can say the climate control AC, in which you just put your desired temperature over here, and it will continue to maintain the temperature irrespective of the ambience temperature. So if we have a look inside the vehicle, and if we have a look of the seats are very much body hugging seats with ample side supports, which which ensures the comfort even on the long drives. So that was all about seat and dashboard. We would rather look into the cluster, which offers us the information regarding the drive of the vehicle. So here is the cluster. There are the sporty double barrel clusters. The right barrel is the speedometer, the left barrel is the tachometer. The speedometer obviously updates us on the speed of the vehicle, and the tachometer updates us on the speed of the engine. And there are the MID, multi information display, which displays a lot of new information or a lot of necessary information for the vehicle. So here we are on the rear seat of the vehicle. Rear seat is one of the most luxurious seat in this segment, with the ample leg space, ample headroom and ample shoulder room, which allows even 3 people to sit over here with the utmost safety and utmost comfort. So now we are here on the rear of the vehicle, and as it says, the beauty remains on the back as well. The rear looks is enhanced with a very sporty spoiler, along with the LED stop lamp over there, and on the rear glass, the rear wiper, the rear defogger and washer would be there. The rear combination lamp would be there to enhance the aesthetics of the vehicle even further. And in addition to that, the 339 liter of boot space capacity is there to hold all your necessary things while on drive. So even on the bottom, the reflectors are there to provide you most safe drive during the night on the highways. So now let's check out the heart of the Baleno. Now we can see through the heart of the Baleno. The engine, which is the heart obviously, comes with a 4-cylinder construction. It's a K12B series engine with dual VVT technology, which offers a very crispy drive with 61 kW of the power and a huge torque of 113 Nm, which enables the vehicle to drive irrespective of the drive on any road, irrespective of the driving condition, with the best of the performance. As per the fuel economy is concerned, it has got a 21 km per liter of fuel efficiency certified by ARAI, and it comes with up to 5 years of warranty, which ensures the best ownership experience. So hope you have found the information useful. Please subscribe to our channel Lifestyle and Creation for a lot more to explore. Thank you.